Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we get into today's video, let me appreciate everyone who has subscribed to us. It really means a lot. Thank you so very much and be blessed. If it's your first time in our channel, we invite you to subscribe to us. Welcome to the channel and feel free even to share with your friends. So today's video, it's all about my daily cleaning routine in our bedsitter. So at the beginning of this video, I'm changing the bedside window curtain. It was getting a bit dirty, so I decided to put a clean curtain. On this particular day, I decided to change the beddings and have some fresh beddings. The ones that I'm changing had stayed for a while, so I decided to have fresh ones, and that includes the duvet. The previous night I had a severe migraine, so I did not make to wash the dishes after supper. So I woke up to dirty dishes, and the first thing that I had to do was to clean the kitchen and do those dishes. Then afterwards I made the bed. So on my daily routine, the first thing is to make sure the kitchen is clean. That is after breakfast. And then I usually make the bed after that. Considering we live in a small space, that is a small room, you have to ensure that each area stays as clean and neat as possible. In my daily cleaning schedule, I have to dust the TV and the TV stand. Then also I have to clean the coffee table and the seat. And for the carpets, I usually take them outside for some minutes so that they can air and dry if we had some liquids pouring on them. Then I usually mop daily. Mopping the house, I do that daily. So guys, my daily cleaning schedule is pretty much very simple. The first thing is to ensure that I have a clean kitchen. That entails washing dishes after every meal if I'm capable of that at that particular time. Then also I have to ensure that my bedside area or the bedroom area looks really neat. That means I have to make the bed and also ensure that there are no clothes which are just lying around. Then I have to ensure that the sitting area is cleaned and well organized. So with that simple cleaning routine, I'm able to live clean and save space for my toddler's playtime. Also, it makes things a bit easier in the small room. So I'm glad that I'm able to share my routine with you. Please guys, consider subscribing to our channel. And also, if you are enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. So after mopping the house, I will leave it for some minutes to dry. Then I'll put my carpets back. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.